ito sa mga sexy and beautiful, the self-worth of an individual. Kasarabay natin ito sa mga participants kanina. Okay, the next number will be the impression from the group 2 by Angie Ricaport. Yun. Siya naman ang sasabihin naman niya sa atin yung impression about yung kaninang topics. The impression of group 2. Kasi yung kanina pinaghati sa 1 and 2. Tapos na yung group 1, and then ngayon naman po yung group 2. So Angie?
Babasa ko lang kami medyo people ba alam mo? Good evening to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to all the guest speakers who shared their knowledge to us. To Father George Fajardo, Mrs. Gerlie Salvatierra, to teach us and share the importance of the ecosystem. To Sister Aida and Sister Ise for teaching us to know ourselves much better, for who we really are, and helping us to grow morally and spiritually. And also the importance of life with God. It's very important because God is our life. If there is no God, there's no life. God is always guiding us wherever we are.
Papa, mauli na?
And also to Mr. Joaquin Ataisa to teaching us how to manage the conflict in order to grow as a true Christian. Mr. Ataisa is one of the person who lead us to know kung paano po kami makikisama sa aming grupo. Facilitator. Kasi po, mas lalo pa po namin nalaman at naintindihan kung paano po mamuno, kung paano po humawak ng isang grupo. Sana po sa mga kasama ko, sa mga young professional na kasama ko, although hindi po ako professional, proud po ako na nakasali po ako sa kanila at isa po ako sa mga mapapalad kasi sabi nga, hindi po aksidente na narito ako. Isa ako sa mga taong in-invite ng Diyos para malaman at maintindihan kung anong klaseng ang buhay sa mundo, kung paano makikipagsapalaran. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Maging po sa mga kumbento boys na patuloy na tumutulong, sa mga gawain, sa pagsuporta po sa lahat ng aktibidades na meron po. Sa lahat ng suporta na ibinibigay nila kay Father George Fajardo, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa kanya. And then sana po, kami din po ay maging matatag bilang isang mga leaders, mga young leaders. Sana po tularan po namin ang kagandahan loob ng mga trainers namin sa panahon ito. Maraming salamat po. At isa pa pong pinasasalamatan ko, higit sa lahat, ang may-ari po ng bilyong ginamit namin. Wala pong iba kundi ang Akuyan family. Maraming salamat po.
Guban President, the Holy Family Church of Rizal Guban. Sister?
To everybody present here, I'm really happy that Father George invited us to come and help him with this program for the basic orientation for the environmental group. I'm so happy that since we have something in mind already about this environmental program, that at the diocesan level, Father George is in charge of helping to bring consciousness in the minds and hearts of all the people of God in the Diocese of Sorsogon about environment and all that goes with that. So I'm very happy for these young people here gathered from last evening until tomorrow. Thank you for your time that you have invested during this weekend. Not only to know about the environment, because when we talk about environment, we go beyond that to see creation as a gift. And in that creation, each one of you are the very most important gift that God has placed on this creation of His. So beautiful personalities, so beautiful to see, and be called this weekend to make a dedication of your life to God's creation. So I wish you all the best. And if ever there is any help needed, we will be always supporting Father George on this program. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.